today? Hello, được không? So how are you today, everyone? Can you tell me? Okay, so now let's start the lesson today. Everyone, so now you will watch the video and then can you tell me what can you see in the video, okay? Are you ready? So watch a video and type your answer into the chat box. What can you see in the video? Now let's go. Now, who can tell me what can you see in the video by typing your answer into the chat box? Now, who can? Okay, now raise your hand to answer the question. Tất Đạt. Now, what can you see in the video, Tất Đạt? Can you tell me? What can you see in the video, Tất Đạt? Okay, no answers. Now, Khánh Linh. What can you see, Khánh Linh?
I can.
Can you speak louder, Khánh Linh? What can you see? You can see right angles, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
And what else? You can see perpendicular lines, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good job. So everyone, in this video, you can see parallel lines, right? And right angles. Yes, right. Okay, so now in this lesson today, you will learn something related to parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Okay. Now let's go to the lesson today. You can see. Okay,
Yes.
now one can say parallel lines. Parallel lines.
Even if we extend parallel lines forever, because the distance between them doesn't change, they would never cross.
Okay, so remember, parallel lines, they never cross, okay?
As soon as the distance between two lines change, they will meet at a point. When two lines meet at a square corner, they are called perpendicular lines.
Okay, now perpendicular lines. Now raise your hand. Can you say?
Perpendicular lines.
Yes, you say it. Can you say that? Perpendicular lines.
Perpendicular lines.
Yes. Please. No. Can you say? Please. Perpendicular lines. Gia Bảo, please. Trần Gia Bảo.
Perpendicular line.
Yeah. Can you say that? Perpendicular lines. Say that.
Perpendicular line.
Awesome. Now let's go.
Now, take a look at basic shapes, like rectangles and squares. Do you see parallel lines and perpendicular lines.
Okay, so now the rectangle and square, right? So can you see parallel lines and perpendicular lines in them? So you can say yes. Oh, I see some students saying yes. Okay, good. Now the same thing.
In them. Right. The opposite sides are parallel. And the adjacent sides are perpendicular. Wherever you look, you can see parallel lines and perpendicular lines. For example, what do you think crosswalks, railroad tracks, and window bars have in common?
Okay, so now everyone, so look at the cross line and railway and window bars. So what has a common? Can you tell me? What has the common things? Now let's see.
They all contain parallel lines.
Yes, when you look at this something here, so you can see they all have parallel lines.
And perpendicular lines.
And perpendicular lines too.
Now, let's see how fast you can identify parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Ready? Look at the map. Which streets are parallel to Tommy Street?
Now, everyone, let's take a look at the map and tell me which streets are parallel to Tommy Street. So, can you type your answer into the chat box? Now, tell me which streets are parallel to Tommy Street. Now, everyone, let's type your answer into the chat box. Now, Bùi Thanh Lâm. Bùi Thanh Lâm, can you tell me your answers?
Yes, my answer is
Which streets are parallel to Tommy Street?
Bella Street, Jackie Street, Miss Know-It-All Street is parallel to Tommy Street.
Okay, awesome, Bùi Thanh Lâm. Okay, so now I want to invite another student, Hoàng Khánh Linh, please. Tell me your answers, Hoàng Khánh Linh.
My answer is Bella Street.
Next one. Tommy Street is parallel to Bella Street. And what else? What about Jackie Street? Okay, so thank you, Hoàng Khánh Linh. Very good job. Now, another student who can raise your hand. Trần Gia Bảo, please. Trần Gia Bảo. Which streets are parallel to Tommy Street?
Parallel to Tom Street is Bella Street, Jackie Street, and Miss Know-It-All Street.
Okay, good job, Trần Gia Bảo. Okay, so now let's check. Bella Street, Jackie Street, or Mr. Know-It-All Street is the correct answer or not? Now let's go.
Correct.
Yes, correct.
Bella Street, Jackie Street, and Mr. Know-It-All Street are all parallel to Tommy Street. Which streets are perpendicular to Chloe Street?
Now, another question. Which streets are perpendicular to Chloe Street? Okay, now let's type your answer into the chat box, everyone. Which streets are perpendicular to Chloe Street? Now raise your hand, everyone. Now raise your hand to answer this question. Nguyễn Đình Trung, can you tell me which streets are perpendicular to Chloe Street? Nguyễn Đình Trung. Tạ Thanh Vân, please. Tạ Thanh Vân. Tạ Thanh Vân, can you tell me? Tạ Thanh Vân. Lê Hoàng Việt, please. Lê Hoàng Việt.
Is Bella Street
Yes, Bella Street. What else?
and Tommy Street.
Tommy Street. That's all? Finish?
Jackie Street and Miss Curly Old Street.
Oh, yeah. So you say Tommy Street, Bella Street, Jackie Street, Mr. Know-it-all Street. Okay? So now let's check it, everyone.
Tommy, Bella,
First one, Tommy Street. Good job. Second one, Bella Street.
Jackie, and Mr. Know-it-all Streets.
Yeah, Jackie and the last one, Mr. Know-it-all Street. Yes, that is the correct answer. Awesome, everyone.
Are perpendicular to Chloe Street. Do you see the parallel lines and perpendicular lines in these objects?
Okay, so now the next question is, do you see the parallel lines and perpendicular lines in this object? Okay, so I will mark these things here is by number. Okay, so number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can type your answer into the chat box by numbers, okay? So now, can you see the parallel lines and perpendicular lines in these objects? Now tell me. Oh, Gia Hưng say number 1, book. Bảo Nguyên say number 4, yes. 1, 4, 2, 8. What else, everyone? Tell me more. 6, 5, 7. Okay. So now let's check it, everyone. Let's go. 8.
Here they are.
Oh, yes. Good job, everyone. So you can see parallel lines and perpendicular lines in number 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 7, and 8, and 6. Okay, good.
How about this? Where are the parallel lines and perpendicular lines? Here are just some examples. Take time and try to find as many as you can, all right? Bye for now.
Okay, so that is the end of presentation. Okay, good job, everyone. So everyone, you can see many things have parallel line and perpendicular lines in real life, right? So now let's move on to the vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Perpendicular.
Now we can say perpendicular. Raise your hand. Now Xuân Nhi, Lê Hoàng Việt, can you say perpendicular?
Perpendicular.
Good.
Perpendicular.
Now Lê Hải Yến, please. Lê Hải Yến, can you talk? Can you say?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. Can you say again?
Perpendicular.
Okay, good job. Now listen the whole sentence, everyone.
AB is perpendicular to BC.
Now we're gonna say Nguyễn Gia Hưng, AB is
perpendicular to BC.
yes, excellent. Good voice. So everyone, can you say AB is perpendicular to BC? Okay. Bùi Gia Bảo, can you say Bùi Gia Bảo?
AB is perpendicular.
Okay, AB, can you say again?
AB is
perpendicular. Gia Bảo, perpendicular. Bùi Gia Bảo, can you say again?
Particular.
Too busy.
Too busy.
Okay, good job, Bùi Gia Bảo. Now, what about Nguyễn Anh Thư, please? Nguyễn Anh Thư.
A, B,
Is. Nguyễn Anh Thư, can you say A, B, is?
A, B is
Perpendicular.
perpendicular to
busy. Okay, good job, Nguyễn Anh Thư. Now, okay, let's see another student. Chu Đức Quang, Bùi Tuấn Kiệt, Chu Đình Nam, Chu Chí Nguyên, can you say AB is perpendicular to BC? Now, say, everyone.
AB is perpendicular to BC.
Yeah, good job, Bùi Tuấn Kiệt.
is
Perpendicular.
to BC.
Okay, good. Chu Chí Nguyên, please. Chu Chí Nguyên.
AB is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular to BC.
Yeah, awesome. Chí Nguyên. Now, Chu Đức Quang, please. Chu Đức Quang, can you say? Chu Đức Quang. AB.
Perpendicular.
AB
is perpendicular to BC.
Okay. Now, can you say again? Perpendicular. Perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Okay. So everyone, listen again and say perpendicular. 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 Okay. So AB is perpendicular to BC. Now, the next word. Let's see.
Parallel.
Now, parallel. Cấn Vân Chi, please. Can you say parallel? Cấn Vân Chi.
Parallel.
Good. Parallel. Now, next. Hoàng Oanh. Can you say Hoàng Oanh? Lê Thị Phương. Lê Phi Mạnh, can you say parallel? Parallel. Nào, Lê Phương, Hoàng Oanh. Lê Thị Mạnh, can you say parallel? Lê Nguyễn Bảo Nghi, can you say parallel?
Parallel.
Yes, good job. Nào, Hoàng Khánh Linh. Bùi Thanh Lâm, can you say parallel?
Parallel.
Yes, remember parallel, okay? Now listen the whole sentence.
AB is parallel to CD.
Now, Lê Hải Yến, can you say AB is parallel to CD?
AB is parallel to the CD.
Yeah, okay, awesome. Now, Lê Hoàng Việt, Bùi Thanh Lâm, Tạ Thanh Vân, can you say?
is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to CD.
Okay, good job, everyone. Play games. Are you ready, everyone? Are you ready? So you can type yes into the chat box, everyone. Now, let's go. Okay, good job, everyone. Yes. So everyone, you can type yes, yes, yes.
Balancing game.
Okay, now stop typing into the chat box. Now take a look. So the game, it is balancing game. Now let's see how to play in this game, okay?
Choose the correct answers to balance the bridge. Which segment is parallel to AB?
Okay, Okay, so everyone, let's take a look at the question. Which segment is parallel to AB? So I will mark CD is A, BC is B, and the last one is C. Now, everyone, can you type your answer into the task box A, B, or C? Now, when I check the task box and I see all of you choose A, yes, very good job. All of you choose A. So now let's see if it's A or not, okay? Let's go.
E. Awesome.
It's correct.
Now, let's start.
A, that is the correct answer. Okay, so now let's start with question number 1, everyone. Let's go.
Choose the correct answers to balance the bridge. Two lines never meet.
The question is two ... lines never meet. Now, type your answer into the task box, everyone. Line never meets. Now, let's type your answer into the task box. So now, let's check the task box and I see most of you choose B, right? Perpendicular. Oh, two perpendicular lines never meet. Okay, so now I will invite one student and tell me the correct answer, okay? Now raise your hand, everyone. Nguyễn Mậu Minh Cường, can you tell me what is your answer in this question?
My answer is A.
A, okay. So two parallel lines never meet. Okay, good job, Nguyễn Mậu Minh Cường. So now let's check it. It's A, B, or C. Now, let's start with A.
Perfect.
Wow. So
two parallel lines never meet.
Yeah, so A, that is the correct answer. Two parallel lines never meet. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 2, everyone. Let's go.
Fill in the blanks with the missing letters. XY is to U, V.
Now XY is perpendicular to UV, right? So now choose A, B, or C, everyone. Let's type your answer into the task box. Let's go, let's go. Yes. So in this question, all of you choose B. Now I want to invite one student and tell me what is your answer. Chương Hà Hương, please. Chương Hà Hương. A, B, or C?
B.
B. Can you say the whole sentence, Chương Hà Hương? X, Y.
XY is perpendicular to UV.
Okay, good job. Awesome. Chương Hà Hương, good advice. So now let's check B.
Good job.
Yes.
XY is perpendicular to UV.
So B, that is the correct answer. Now let's move on to question number 3, everyone. Let's go.
A square has 4 sets of segments.
Now, in this question, let's type A, B, or C. Now, everyone, let's go. Okay, so now, Big Way, can you tell me what is your answer, Big Way?
A.
You choose A, B, or C?
A.
You choose A? Okay, good job, Big Way. Yeah, I will invite another student, okay? Lê Nguyễn Bảo Nghi, please. Now, Lê Nguyễn Bảo Nghi, what is your answer? Tell me. Lê Nguyễn Bảo Nghi, please.
B.
A, B, C. You choose B? Okay. Now let's check. It's A or B. Now let's try A first.
Try again.
Oh, sorry. A is not the correct answer. Now what about B? Let's go.
Great job.
Yes.
A square has 4 sets of perpendicular segments.
Yes, B. That is the correct answer. A square has 4 sets of perpendicular segments. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 5. Let's go.
How many parallel lines are there in the picture?
Now, how many parallel lines are there in the picture? A, B, or C? Now let's type your answer into the chat box, everyone. Now, who can? Nguyễn Thu Hương. Can you tell me, Nguyễn Thu Hương? Nguyễn Thu Hương, please. Nguyễn Thu Hương. A, B, or C?
C.
Oh, you choose C. Good job, Nguyễn Thu Hương. Now, Nguyễn Tuệ Minh, what is your answer, Nguyễn Tuệ Minh?
It's A.
Oh, 3 lines. Okay, now, so now I will check the chat box, and I see some students choose A, some students choose B. So now let's check A first.
Great.
Yes.
There are 3 parallel lines in the picture.
So A, that is the correct answer. Now, question number 6. Now let's go.
Two perpendicular lines form a
Right, B, line, C, right angle. Now, everyone, let's type your answer into the chat box. Now, let's go, let's go. So now I will invite Vũ Sơn Tùng. What is your answer in this question, Vũ Sơn Tùng, please?
It's C.
C, right angle. Okay, good job, Vũ Sơn Tùng. Now, another student. Nguyễn Anh Thư, please. Nguyễn Anh Thư. Nguyễn Anh Thư, what is your answer?
B.
Oh, you choose B. Two perpendicular line form a line. Okay, good job, Anh Thư. So now let's check the chat box. So when I check the chat box in this question, I see all of you choose C. That is the correct answer. So now let's check C first.
Awesome! Two perpendicular lines form a right angle.
So remember, two perpendicular lines form a right angle. Okay? Now the next question. Oh, we finished the game. Okay, so that is the end of the game today. So you did a very good job, everyone. So now it's time for all of you.
You did a very good job.
Summarize what we have learned in this
Summary. Let's look at what we've learnt today. Parallel and perpendicular lines.
Now, everyone, can you say parallel? Parallel and perpendicular. Can you say again? Perpendicular. Now, who can say? Raise your hand. Big Way, Xuân Nhi. All right, Yến, Hoàng Khánh Linh, can you say parallel?
Parallel. Parallel. Perpendicular. Perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Remember, perpendicular, okay? Now, next. Lê Hoàng Việt, Bùi Thanh Hải, Hoàng Oanh, Tạ Thanh Vân, can you say?
Parallel and perpendicular line.
Yes, good job.
Parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel and perpendicular line.
Good job. Nào, Hoàng Oanh, Tạ Thanh Vân và Nguyễn Anh Thư. Can you say parallel and perpendicular? Nào, Tạ Thanh Vân.
Parallel
Yes.
and particular.
Good job, everyone. So, in this lesson today, you will learn about parallel and perpendicular, okay? So remember, perpendicular. It's not perpendicular. Remember, perpendicular. Okay, so that is the end of the lesson today. Và bây giờ cô Thanh sẽ hướng dẫn các bạn cách truy cập vào ITO và chúng ta sẽ học như thế nào trên đó nhé.
Okay, thank you Miss Teacher Loan. Các bạn ơi, mình vừa trải qua một tiết học vô cùng bổ ích của cô Loan đúng không ạ? Thì bây giờ cô Thanh sẽ là người giúp cho các bạn có thể, cô sẽ nhắc lại cho các bạn cách để truy cập vào tài khoản ITO của mình và ôn tập học bài tại nhà nha. Ok, bây giờ cô sẽ chia sẻ màn hình nhé. Rồi, khi mà các bạn truy cập vào tài khoản ITO của mình và các bạn sẽ chọn phần ôn tập kiến thức cùng nha. Là tương tự thao tác như các buổi trong khóa học trong bức án của mình đang học này. Hôm nay chúng ta học bài Unit 1, bài số 1. Bài đầu tiên Lesson 1 của Unit 6. Ok, các bạn chọn vào bài, tên bài cho cô nhé. Trên hình của cô đây đang hiện ra các phần tương đương như vocabulary, lecture, practice cho các bạn để ôn tập thêm tại nhà. Các bạn sẽ ấn vào phần ôn tập. Đó, và các bạn sẽ vào đây để thể nghe về vocabulary, về từ vựng, luyện tập thêm tại nhà này. Các bạn cũng có thể truy cập vào lecture để xem lại bài giảng của cô Lan nha. Ok, đó. Tương tự vậy, các bạn cũng sẽ truy cập vào phần practice là các phần game và phần luyện tập dành cho chúng ta tất được bài tập hay câu hỏi hay trong phần này. Ok, truy cập phần practice số 1 này.